Hi, my name is Skov Jensen and I work as an information consultant at the Library of the Technical University of Denmark. We will now take a closer look at how to plan and carry out your literature searches. When planning your search, you should set up a strategy to help you keep focus and to make it easier for yourself to find relevant information and literature for your paper. The strategy must be flexible, however, so that you can incorporate new insights as you go along or change direction if necessary. This is where you will benefit from your logbook. If you continuously update your logbook, it will help you to structure as well as to document your search process. But what defines a good search strategy? And how do you develop one? Basically, developing a good search strategy means that you delimit your subject and information need, usually by narrowing down your search, and you should begin by asking yourself the following questions. Do you need primary or secondary scientific literature or literature on methodology? Do you need textbooks, articles, reference work, or other types of material? Where do you look for information? Search engines, library catalogs, subject guides or databases? Do you want to restrict your search to a specific geographical area? Does your research assignment have an international perspective, or does it focus on a single country, region, or a particular part of the world? Do you want to restrict your search to a specific period of time? Are you primarily interested in recent research, or does the project require a historical survey on your research area? Do you want to limit your search results to specific languages? Are you only interested in literature written in English and your mother tongue, or will literature written in other languages be of your interest as well? You can begin to work with your work document for information search and your logbook. Please take as point of departure the terms from your research question that you have already chosen to work with. In the following example, we have chosen the search terms that derive from our research question. If we want to analyze the climate development in the United States over the past 50 years, we will have to look for methodological literature describing how to work with statistics. We will also have to look for secondary literature for those aspects of our research question that deal with agriculture and weather development. These subjects lie beyond our own research field, and we therefore need to familiarize ourselves with them before consulting primary scientific literature. Once we have a firm grasp of our topic, we need to consult the primary scientific literature to locate cutting-edge research within the subjects of agriculture, weather, climate change, and so on. As regards literature types, we are primarily interested in finding primary and secondary literature, and we want to find information about our topic in materials such as reference articles, review articles, textbooks, websites, and statistical reference works. Based on the literature types and material types we're interested in, we will first of all consult the two multidisciplinary databases, Web of Science and Scopus, the subject-specific database AGRIS, the website National Climatic Data Center, and perform supplementary searches in Google Scholar. We will primarily be searching for information written in English, and we want the information to be published from 1965 to 2016 in relation to weather development and climate change, and from 1995 to 2016 in relation to agriculture. And finally, we are primarily interested in finding information concerning the United States. Now please go through these steps, taking as point of departure your own research assignment. In your work document for information search, find the relevant search terms that you have already selected from your research question, and then define which literature types and material types you wish to prioritize, where you will search, and which filter options that will be useful to you. When all this has been done, you should use one or more of these search methods: random search, cited reference search, and building block search. The three methods each have their own strengths and limitations, and will often supplement each other during your search for literature and information. Enjoy your search, and thank you for listening.